Hi people.
Hi everyone. Sabrina and Stefan disappeared, and we're going to build a garden for Stefan out of a dog run. We already have the tiller. It's a last minute deal, but the dog runs, which I never use for dogs. In my family, you treat an animal like you want to be treated, so there were no chain dogs. They just live in the house with us. But
They're that one around everywhere we don't want to.
they do. Anyway, but I did buy this dog run from Lowe's like 20 years ago. And what I did is I turned it into a mini greenhouse. No raccoons got in there, no deer, no anything. But
That one thing.
a snake and some birds. But with that being said, it's perfect for somebody that has a real pest problem.
Like Nathan.
And so then the first thing we need to do is determine the site. We measured it out. This is a 5 by 10, but we want an area in front for flowers and peppers and all that.
I would let it be a 10 by 3.
That's pretty narrow. Grammy might lose some weight for that. And we're going to play around with some vertical gardening. But let us show you what we do first. Alright, Stefan, help me put the plastic down, or the landscape fabric, and he put a couple pins in it. And now I use some zip ties right now to temporarily hold this, because I still have to figure out the roof, and then I have to level it. You know, and you think, oh, maybe I don't want to level it, but this could stay here for a while, so I am going to level it. I'll use some bricks or whatever and put underneath. And then I'll show you the next step when I'm done. All right, I just wanted to show you the end result. I did not put a top on. I'm trying to figure that out. Basically, I'm going to use our bamboo that we grow for stakes in there for tomatoes. But I think I want to do a round roof. That way in the fall I could put maybe a tarp over it, or black or clear plastic, and I could grow cold weather vegetables maybe up to November or December. But this will keep raccoons out, deer out, anything else. So this dog run is not used for a dog, it's used for Stefan's garden. All right, Stefan's not here, Taylor's taking him for a walk. So I thought that you older people like me should enjoy this. So we are digging, took hours and hours and hours because we had to move every worm, including the new worm, the jumping worm. Every worm was a jumping worm. Then he found the mole hole, which is great. I could shove a whole bunch of hot peppers in there. No, it's not a mole hole. It's actually an ancient bunker, thousands of years old, probably from the 1985s. 1985s. I'm not even sure if that's said correctly. I looked at him, 1985. Yeah, thousands of years old, Grammy. So we're digging more, and then I find an old VCR tape. Somehow it survived in the ground after the fire. Those are from the 1970s. So I wonder how old that makes me. I suddenly feel very ancient. Don't you love a 7-year-old? Anyway, I'm going to go on the next project. I would love to hear how I should finish the top off so I could put the bamboo stakes in for tomatoes. Maybe I should cover it for later on. But this is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and this is the dog run greenhouse for Stefan. Have a great day.